Hi folks, and welcome back to another philosophy club. As always, this club is suitable for children between 9 and 12. This week we're going to look at the idea of space. So, I want you to imagine a box. A box just like this. Now, I want you to empty the box until there's nothing left in it. Like, completely empty. No toys, no dust, no teeny tiny microscopic mites, no molecules, no atoms, nothing. Absolutely nothing. Like you stuck a cosmic vacuum cleaner into it. So take some time to think about what that might be like. Is such a thing possible? Okay, let's say for the sake of argument, we can remove everything from the box, including things like the sides of the box, the light inside, so that absolutely nothing is left. Now try to imagine it. All done? Now, what is left? Is there something we can't remove? And if we removed everything from the box, what would the inside of the box be like? Your answer to these questions might point you to your answer to today's question, which is, would there be space or would there be nothing? To help us think about that question, we will look at three thinkers' answers to our question. Isaac Newton thought that, even if there was nothing to fill it, space would still exist. Even with everything taken out of it, our box would still have empty space inside it. For Newton, space was absolute. It exists even with nothing in it. On the other hand, Gottfried Leibniz thought that space only existed when there are objects that have space between them. For Leibniz, space was relative. It only exists when there are objects. If there are no objects, there are no space. Finally, consider a third theory put forward by Immanuel Kant. Kant proposed that space was really just a way of understanding our experiences of objects, which is to say that space is really in the mind. It organizes the representations of our experiences in space. So, who do you think is right? Is space absolute, relative, or dependent on our minds? Would there be empty space, or would there be nothing? Okay, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again next week. In the meantime, take care.